What is 5G? According to Wikipedia, 5G is the fifth generation of wireless communications technology. Most experts see 5G as a chance for more development over numerous businesses, which means there is a great deal of money invested in the innovation, with a more significant deal to come. Is 5G radiation dangerous? The risk for 5G is the same risks already present with 4G and 3G. How can you protect yourself? First, find out whether your home is near a 5G cell tower. Check in your local cell carrier's coverage maps. If you have an EMF meter, check and see yourself how much a 5G signal reaches your home. The best takeaway with this ultimate guide is that there are ways you can do to protect yourself against 5G radiation. Painting your rooms with EMF protection paint and sleeping with an EMF protection blankets are some ways you can do to reduce your exposure to 5G radiation at home. The reishi mushrooms can purify and cut down unwanted effects of radio and chemotherapy that may use for EMF radiation too. You can also add cactus and other indoor plants, or shungite stones to absorb EMF radiation and clean the air in our home.